Hey Gearheads, and welcome to Garage Talk. I'm here at the 2022 Houston Auto Show sitting in the SUV replacement, the 2022 Kia Carnival SX Prestige. And in this video, I'm going to talk about just how comfortable this vehicle is. Hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you are notified every time we post a new video. And if you want to see some behind the scenes stuff before it is here on YouTube, go find us at Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, all at GT Garage Talk. And everything we do, including our award-winning podcast, can be found at gtgaragetalk.com. So starting at $48K, this Un-Minivan is perhaps the best people hauler on the planet. It is so comfortable and so plush that when you get passengers back in the back, I don't think they're ever going to want to leave.
Did you say Un-Minivan?
Yes, What is going on back there?
This is a minivan.
No, this is a limousine.
Yeah.
This is not.
Aren't you all supposed to be covering trucks? Isn't that your deal? Like, what?
We're enjoying the carnival that came in the town.
Very
party
nice.
back here.
So please welcome Bryan and Craig from Texas Truck Channel. Yeah, they're supposed to be covering trucks. I know they've got a little trauma from covering a carnival themselves, but
Hey, just so you know, when it says 0 miles to empty, it actually means 6 more miles.
6 more miles.
That's it. Usually that's 30 more miles. It's only 6.
In fact, that's why we're relaxing back here.
Right.
We're tired from pushing it.
That's exactly where you want to be in this.
Yeah.
So the lounge seats in the middle row of this vehicle knock anything out of the park in the SUV realm. That right there, the airline reclined first class feature, is exactly why you want to be shopping this vehicle versus Telluride or any other midsize SUV on the planet. This thing has comfort everywhere, and like I said, it's like airline quality seats back there.
Oh no, it's better than airline.
Yeah?
This is a kid's dream machine.
I was just thinking flu because this would be great to fly and sit in the seat on an airline.
I couldn't imagine having something like this. I had a 92 Plymouth Grand Voyager growing up, and we had captain's chairs and we thought we were cool, but
we had
my
the bench.
goodness.
We had
the bench to one side because you only had one door.
Yeah, minivans have come so far in our lifetimes that they are making a resurgence.
Minivan, the OG crossover.
Yes.
By the way, this is minivan in terms of headroom too. So if you're 6'5" and too many pounds, this is not really good for you. But for kids, I'm telling you, this is incredible. You've got a media screen here. You've got the reclining seats, and look, you can just drone your parents out, watch your Minecraft. Life is good.
Or if you're up front
experience
and you want to yell at the kids in the back, there's a little intercom system.
The touch-to-speak thing, yeah.
Yeah.
There is so much thoughtfulness that went into this for both families and executives. I don't even know why you would be shopping a crossover.
Absolutely.
I know. And I've got friends younger than me that are excited about the Carnival.
Sure.
It's crazy what is happening with the Un-Minivan market.
It's really nice. They've done a really good job here.
All right, so moving back to the way back, hauling stuff, This thing has got room for all. Whether it be stuff or people, you can move it in this thing. And folding down the back seats, super easy, barely an inconvenience. Folds flat into the floor. And just like that, you've got a flat load floor for tons of cargo. And then the middle row, you can scoot those up, makes plenty of room for hauling stuff. And getting these back up, simple two-step process. I actually prefer manual because it happens so much quicker. Power, you have to push the button and wait. So this is definitely a win in my book. And then there is tons of space down here. Now, you're not going to ride back here. We know you follow the law, but tons of luggage space back here if the seats are out. Can't ignore the driving position of this vehicle. Again, I've just got this for a quick walk around. We're hoping to get one for a longer term test very soon. But I just want to say, if you've driven a modern Kia, especially a modern Kia crossover, you will not be disappointed up here. Push button start. Huge touchscreen infotainment system here. And then you've got dual zone front AC, controlled by some pretty awesome toggles here. Heated front seats, and then a parking camera button to help you see all around you when you're parking or driving in tight spaces. But again, very beautiful place to be, and would make for a nice highway cruiser. So there you have it, the 2022 Kia Carnival SX Prestige with the rear lounge seats, coming to you from the 2022 Houston Auto Show. If you want to know more from us, hit that subscribe button, and definitely go follow these guys over at Texas Truck Channel. We will link their stuff down below. Until next time, bye.
Thanks for watching.
How do you close that door? Is there, oh, looky there. You don't even have to just,
Are these ventilated seats back here too?
They
please,
are, yeah.
Yes.
Please put your seats in the upright position as we prepare for takeoff.
Welcome to the Houston Auto Show Price is Right. We're going to have a game here where we tell the viewers what this thing costs. It costs $47,000. Craig, our contestant, needs to guess, what does this Kia Carnival Un-Minivan cost the consumer? Close without going over.
Without going over. $47,100.
48.6.
It's pretty close. That's pretty close. You'll get that one. Let's move on to the next one. Over here we have a Telluride. And this actually shares the same platform as the Carnival. What do you think this costs, Craig? Fully loaded. Don't look at the piece of paper. No Monroney check. All-wheel drive, SX trim, fully loaded.
$45,001.
That is still under, but you were closer in the van. You win the van. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.